Huge update for Bitcoin at London with Bitcoin Spike. First things first, look at the 4-hourly MACD. It is in trouble, guys. The MACD on the 4-hourly has been problematic. I'm going to talk about what we called out yesterday. Daily still looks bullish, all right? Daily still looks bullish. Hit the like button if you appreciate these videos, particularly yesterday. What did I tell you? Guys, that the big entry would be above the candle wicks on for this cup and handle feature. Yeah, the big entry would be over, guys, this candle wick feature on the 1-hourly. But as we were looking at the framework for the cup and handle, yes, guys, the cup and handle, absolutely, we hit exactly into the line that I had prescribed for you, guys, in terms of that specific hourly framework. In terms of the reset for the daily, please pay attention. Hugely important. On the daily today, if you look at this cup and handle feature, this line of preceding resistance, look at where we set, guys. It's almost unbelievable. Underneath, oh no, guys, we set underneath preceding resistance. We wanted to set up above preceding resistance to confirm as support. So this is an ambiguity in the market. Please note that stringently, guys, sternly on your charts. Yesterday also, you know this, we went through this top level resistance. I let you know the 20x, boom, the big entry would be where? Up above this line. Boom, big rejection right there. So you didn't get caught up chasing FOMO. You didn't get into it, guys. Congratulations to the VIP. Boom. Now let's go through the rising wedge that was also there. Let's go through the specific Fibonacci retracements that are currently in play. And let's go through very quickly the returns for VIP. Our top level membership, let's shout out to Arturo, his first day on, guys, first day on 100 rounds. Way to go. First of all, we caught the move to the upside in the back. Look at the ascending triangulation. Bam. Was a nice move. Boom. We caught the ascending triangle. Way to go, VIP. Way to trade, guys. In terms of that, also the expanding feature. We've been looking at those rock the bells, we say, guys. The expanding feature, the bump and run. I'm going to say the bump and run variation. 2,700% trade. That's a trade I'm currently in, guys. And then Freddie comes in with 229%, 125%. There's Arturo, 190. These are just for today, 191%. Way to go. Way to start off that 100 rounds. Congratulations, Arturo. J Mac rounding out 120%, 76%. I want to invite you to join VIP. Guys, I'm showing off our trade group. That's it. Look at this one. $711,000. Guys, look at this. 40 grand in the profit on a Fibonacci hit. Boom. Those are the types of returns on leverage that you can not emulate, but that you can understand, guys, the power of this market. Hugely important. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. You understand. Former hedge fund owner, non-SEC private, and not financial advice. As we were looking at this feature right here, we have not surrendered yet. Again, I would say the most problematic thing that I've been looking at, and VIP know this specific MACD on the 4-hourly. Come on, guys. We need some power on this 4-hourly. This rounding feature here, just loss of power on the 4-hourly. However, the daily still looks bullish. We need this to traject to the upside. We need more of a blue wave here. I'm just going to tell you, we need more of a blue wave. That 23.6 is currently engaged. Let me take a look at a feature that's a bit troublesome right now. A bit troublesome, just so that you understand the specifics. Glad that I have this chart here. Anytime that you see an upward diagonal feature like this, anytime that you see the framework for an upward diagonal feature expansion, and I need to shout out to Venus. Venus is a new, guys, look at this, a $10,000 plus contributor. Venus, congratulations and thank you. We are just honored here. I'm extremely honored, and I'm excited to tell VIP we're going to be trading. We are going to be trading. Venus and I will be trading in 2022. We are building, and we're looking forward to booking some huge trades. We have quite the experience 2021, and Venus, I'm excited to be with you in 2022. You'll see her name there at the top, and we'll do some more work on the stream. Venus knows this pattern, this rising level of resistance, this rising and expanding therewith level of support. These are not bullish. However, Bitcoin has beaten at least one of them recently. Take a look at this, and it's classic Elliott wave if you're interested. Looking at this. Yes, here's one that we actually beat. Okay, so Bitcoin can beat them from time to time. This was one out of one out of five that Bitcoin beat to the upside. Thereafter, failing another one up and above. So be careful, guys. You have about a 20% established in this range, a 20% success rate on this pattern to the upside. So we note that, guys. We focus on the data. You know that, huh? We're going to note that. So in terms of the entirety, let's get back, first of all. And I will state this. Other than the expanding diagonal, we don't really have a descending triangle. Nothing necessarily patently bearish that I would say. We have a very strong attraction level. Probably the most bearish component that we have, period, are the number of orders at that 200 weekly moving average. Everyone knows this. This level is loaded up like a truck, guys. Just like a truck. I'm going to tell you, it's got orders are just hot at this level. Of course, we have the golden pocket below that on this interim range here. And then we have the orders from the low to the high. I'm just going to tell you, we don't have, as of right now, we do not have, other than the expansion, right? We don't have a patently, let's say, a descending triangle, something that could just shake the fear into the bulls. If we were to hold this line of support in this zone, you start to see we have some problems here with the expanding diagonal, okay? However we want to define that from the lower level here, okay, from this lower level portion, okay, or with that upper level portion. Now, in terms of what we ran into today, let's look at let me see which chart, guys, is going to be the best chart for us to review. Probably right in here. Let's take a look at what we ran into today, just because I want you to work on your pattern identification. Working on your pattern identification. And in terms of the trades, guys, I got to tell you, I want you to see the trades. I want you to understand what you're capable of in this market, what can be done with Bitcoin. It's hugely important for me this year to be able to provide that venue where people can understand what is possible, because it's just mind-blowing, guys. It really is in terms of what's possible in crypto. That's why we trade. We love the volatility. Now, the point of coming to this chart is not just the 23.6, okay? That hit, that big trade. It's a nice day trade. It's a nice day trade, guys. No big deal. In terms of the feature here, though, let's look at the rising wedge. Yes, I want to look at the rising wedge as we reinforce your pattern identification, this level of support, level of resistance, constricting, both of them, rising and constricting in an upward slanting apex, guys, an upward diagonal apex. What I'm going to say is that there's between, I'm going to say, a 65, 70% chance of a rehit on preceding support to confirm as resistance. Now, a bit of ambiguity, okay, because we would like to see what's called a throwback. Boom. A throwback to preceding level of support to confirm as resistance. And depending upon the time frame, we're going to get into the question as to, well, is a small hook, a small reconfirmation along this specific preceding level of support to resistance as you're looking for day trades, that's a question that we're going to allow to evolve as we continue to explore it over the next several weeks with VIP. What would count as a confirmation versus what would count as a real throwback? Okay, a confirmation is just preceding support to resistance. It could be more of a micro feature. We would expect a throwback to be just as it sounds, right? A bit more of a move, boom, from a bit further away. So we're looking at that positively right now amidst the expanding diagonal features and with the possibility of creating some additional framework here, right? To the extent that we can begin to pattern, and that's going to be the solution. You know, we have the cup and handle. We were right on with that. Congratulations to the VIP. That 20X is just sitting up there. A ton of orders, guys. Just a ton of orders on that 200. You know this. We would get it again if we could. You know that. We'd also hit anything below it again if we could. We love the attention right now on Bitcoin. Everybody wants to trade it, guys. Everybody wants to trade it. In terms of, but they're not going to trade it like VIP, guys. I'm going to tell you that. In terms of joining VIP, we welcome you. Formal invitation. If you want to beat the market, make sure you hit this link. Join the top level membership, VIP. Also, you can join from YouTube without a doubt. And once you join, hit the first pinned tweet, put I am VIP. That will put you in touch with me. I'll see that you have joined, and I will put you in the back where we have enterprise level of security. Guys, that's Twitter. They have enterprise level security. Isn't that nice? So yeah, we pride ourselves on that, guys. That's what's up. So in terms of Arturo, I'm going to say Arturo, great job in starting your 100 rounds. And Venus, you are the star of the show today, and will be for a while. Your name looks good up top there. We're looking forward to a great year of trading. Let's go trade. Let's do it, Venus. You guys take care of yourself. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We appreciate the leadership of Venus. And guys, let's go get it. We'll talk to you soon. Maybe we'll stream tomorrow, guys. Hope you're having a great weekend. That's the kind of volatility we have come to know from Bitcoin on the weekend. Never be afraid of Bitcoin on the weekend. That's when we trade. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.